Hello, in front of me I've got NAVITEL T787. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter display, and right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list where we can change display mode manually. And then we can enable disable dark theme and schedule it. Next we can enable or disable night light, also schedule it and change its intensity. Then we can change wallpaper, screen timeout, and enable or disable auto rotate screen. Then we can change font size, display size, set screensaver, and in the end we can manage lock screen preferences like privacy on lock screen, add text on lock screen, show wallet, show device controls, and wake screen for notifications. And that's it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.